In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a stock price and details on Robinhood. Whether you're keeping an eye on a favorite company or tracking the latest market movers, knowing how to find and analyze stock information is an essential skill for anyone interested in investing. Let's start by heading over to the Robinhood website. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Robinhood dashboard, which is your central hub for all things investing. If you already have a particular stock in mind, look towards the top of the page for Robinhood's search bar. Type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to check, and you'll see a list of results populate as you type. Click on the correct stock from the drop-down list to open its detailed information page. Once you're on the stock's details page, you'll immediately notice a price chart displayed at the top. This chart provides a visual representation of the stock's recent behavior in the market. To get a closer look at how the stock has been performing over specific periods, use the time range options directly above the chart. These may include intervals like 1D for 1 day, 1W for 1 week, 1M for 1 month, and so on. Clicking different time frames allows you to spot short-term fluctuations or long-term trends depending on your interests. When analyzing the chart, take note of the price movement. Robinhood typically displays this data in either a line chart or candlestick format. Line charts are a great way to see the overall direction, while candlesticks provide more detail about opening, closing, high and low prices within a given period. Below the main chart, you'll notice a section dedicated to trading volume. Higher volume often means more active trading, which can signal increased market interest or news affecting that stock. To supplement your analysis, be sure to explore the News and Stats tabs, usually found below the chart or in a nearby menu. The news section pulls together recent articles and updates that can give you context about what might be influencing the stock's price. The Stats tab typically displays important metrics such as market capitalization, price to earnings ratio, dividend yield, and other financial indicators that help paint a fuller picture of the stock's health. If you'd like to discover other stocks beyond the one you just checked, Robinhood also makes it easy. Explore the trending stocks and top movers sections on the platform. These features highlight stocks that are getting a lot of attention due to significant price movements or trading volume. By following these steps, you can quickly check stock prices and details and get the insight you need to make more informed investment decisions on Robinhood. Happy investing, and thanks for watching.